Thank you all so much for sticking around with me, even during my pitchy patchy moments, through the ups and downs with my garden, the this and the that, so many setback and pull back and start again and hopes that, guys, the whole works. I thank you all for sticking around. You didn't have to do it, but you did it anyway. You believe in me, and I appreciate you so much, more than you'll ever imagine. Thank you all so much. The garden has come a long way. It is actually coming together how I actually desire, and I am so grateful. So I am at peace. I am at peace, and I am grateful. Thank you, guys. Thank you, because you keep pushing me. Your comments, you watching, you joining my membership, you sharing, you liking, you commenting, right? You interacting with me via email, via Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok. I appreciate you guys. I'm just taking this moment. I know I'm back and forth, but I'm just taking this moment to acknowledge all of you and to just share with you my sincere love and appreciation. Alright, look at my gooseberries. I just appreciate you guys. I just appreciate you. Thank you all so much.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello, my gardening family. I am behind the cameras this morning, and as you can hear in my voice, I am not feeling so well, but I just want to still keep you posted. Everything looks so messy. It's a hot mess. I'm not going to dispute that, but it's not always picture perfect. So I'm just giving you as it is. So these are the containers that they were, you can see how they soak. Yeah, these are the containers that had my cabbages. The other cabbages, I took them out because I'm trying to save them all that water that they took in. So these two, they are okay. I still think I'm going to move them from these containers. I am still contemplating. Right here, this is a bag with some, well, this was manure, horse manure with sawdust, but it's mainly sawdust that is in there right now because I separated the manure, the dung, from the sawdust. So what I have been doing is collecting just the dung, get them together and do them like this, crush them. Just put my hand in my gloves, hold it and just crush it so that I can have it like this, right? And then now I just add it to my container. So it's a form of mulch still while feeding my plants. Now I am waiting to get more because many of my containers, most of them are not done as yet. I made sure to do my banana tree. So I did my banana tree. So all of this that you're seeing on top, it is the horse manure right there. So all of my lettuce inside here, the rain beat them down. I had some callaloo inside here. I can see remnants. The rain beat them down. I had some, what it call again, beets in here. I had some in here. So all of my baby plants that I had coming up, they are damaged. But I sowed some seeds, and I'm also going to sow back some beets directly as well. Alright, so my marigold that was in here, I took it out because the slugs, they had a hold of it and they sure made a feast, and it died down. This one, they tried to make a feast out of this one as well, but that is left. So I put some of the dung in this as well. That's the manure. So what I had was like this, the horse manure in sawdust, and I just put everything on top of the soil, the manure in the sawdust, right? So what I'm doing now is remove all of this, because I don't need to keep having the sawdust piling up in the containers, right? I just need to use the manure. So I'm taking a different approach. What I did was to take out all of these from the other plants, that the containers that I did already. Yeah, I took out all of these and I just add solely the manure on top, right? So that is what I did to my cherry tree right here. So I'm hoping to see better progress with having it like this and my liquid fertilizer, because really and truly I refuse to grow with chemicals, that is, and I want to be true to you guys as well as be true to myself. So I choose to stick to what I say I am doing, organic gardening, and I'm sticking to it. All right, so this one right here has just the horse manure as well. I did this one, this one, this one, this one, right? And I did my mulberry right here as well. So the results for my mulberry after stripping it naked will come up in another video, but there's a sneak peek. And I did this container here as well. I also did my papaya because I really hoping to get some papaya. Despite how the tree is looking, I am still working with it to see. It's either doom or gloom. So I am not giving up. I am just letting it stay. Well, both of them are looking like that. So to me, it could be a disease. I am not sure. Or maybe they're just lacking nitrogen. I'm not sure. But whatever the case may be, I am taking a different approach. So I did this container as well. So I did this and I did this one. Did I do this one? Yes, I did this one as well. Yeah. Oh, so these are the cabbages. I'm still trying to see if they will turn around, because these three were the ones that I had that was doing a lot in my garden, was doing much, and I just refuse to give them up without a fight. So I put them inside here, these 3 pots. Let's see. My sweet peppers or bell peppers that I transplanted to here. You can see that they're out to give me some things. Oh, the ones over here that had the fruits that the whosoever ate that I transplanted inside here, I am thinking about just pruning them back. Oh, I still like they're trying to do something. I don't know if you can see. Alright, so I'm going to leave them. Let them do them thing. Alright, and my banana pepper trying to do something there. I see I have a banana pepper right here. Alright, so what about this one? Oh no. So my throat. My son got ill, and you know, as mothers, we are not going to stay away. We are going to be the nurturer that we are. So I automatically get ill because my son. So that's just how it is. We as parents, we just have to do what we have to do. I'm just taking off these leaves, the minors. They're such a pain. This bell pepper look like it's going to give me something soon. Alright, so I am going to do this pepper plant with what is left. This pepper plant has been struggling. Every time the blooms come up, they fall off. But I noticed though that it is trying something right here. So this is actually the first time for a while I actually see one made it this far, because normally the blooms come up by the time it push off the thing. Look at this one. I was just talking, and as I touch it, it happened. So this is what has been happening. You see, compare them. So this one reached very far, because it usually fall off at this part right here. So I see it's trying, so I'm going to just remove all of this sawdust again, remove all of it, and just add purely the manure that I crushed. And I'm going to also do that for my guava tree, my soursop tree, and what's this again? And my pomegranate. So I don't think what I have in the bucket can go to anything else. So I'm just only going to do this, and this with it. Oh, I am going to try to do this papaya tree as well. So I don't know. I'll try my best to touch all 5 of them with what is left in the bucket. So all of these sawdust I will remove, and sorry, I'm going to remove these leaves, you know. They look diseased. Yep, they are. I'm going to remove them. So the bottom ones are looking okay. I don't want it to spread. I am going to remove these before them spread. See, I'm getting new growth along the side right there. This actually made progress. It's getting taller, but those leaves have to go. So that's a little update right there, guys. See my pumpkin vine going all the way over there. Sorry, I am just going to bring them over. Alright. Oh my. needed to come back right here. See, going all the way over there. Oh, yes, come back right here. I think I spraying it. I think I spraying the vine, but it will heal itself. See, I'm spraying it right here. It is bent, not broken, but usually it heals itself. Well, let's hope it does. So the marigold I had inside here, the slug ate it as well. And I had one somewhere here, the slugs ate it as well. I get to understand that they love marigold. This one now, after eating off all of the leaves and everything, I said I'm going to let it stay because I saw that these were on there so I could get seeds. So I just decided to let it stay, let it dry out, and then I'm going to harvest the seeds. These are not completely dried as yet. I could pick them off and put them to dry, but I said let them stay on the plant because I don't want to have any mishap with them, so I'm letting them stay. Alright, so I am planning to get some marigolds. I have some seeds and I sow some, but you know they're going to take a while, and I need to attract bees for my fruiting plants right now. Right, so I'm just going to try to see if I can get some to purchase. Like I said, I have my fruiting plants, like my cucumbers right here. I really hope that they were pollinated properly. Some of them you can see that they weren't, because the end of them is turning yellow. And tomatoes coming out. So I hope there's a lot of cucumbers on these vines. So I hope they were pollinated. Oh, and I did add some already to my grapevine as well. So I haven't done much. I haven't done much, but I will get there. I will get there. Patience is a virtue, and that is one virtue I desire. Patience and humility, those are my top desires. I could have done a video showing you exactly what I'm doing, like all of the cleaning up and putting back together, but like I said, I'm not feeling well, so I wouldn't do you any justice, because I am going to take a little while and I'm going to stop every minute based on how I am feeling. Thank you all so much for watching. Until tomorrow, maybe. Walk good. Take care. Bye-bye.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.